Garlic, often heralded for its culinary prowess, has been celebrated throughout history for its medicinal properties. While most commonly associated with warding off vampires in folklore, the benefits of garlic extend far beyond superstition. One intriguing practice gaining attention is the daily consumption of garlic water. But what exactly happens to your body when you drink a glass of garlic water every day? You'll have improved immunity. Garlic is renowned for its immune-boosting properties. Allicin, a compound formed when garlic is crushed or chopped, is credited with many of its health benefits. Studies suggest that allicin may enhance the function of certain white blood cells, which play a vital role in immune defense. Additionally, garlic is rich in antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress and inflammation, further bolstering the body's immune response. Regular consumption of garlic water can thus contribute to a stronger immune system, potentially reducing the risk of infections and illnesses. Your heart will improve. Heart disease remains a leading cause of death worldwide, making the maintenance of cardiovascular health paramount. Fortunately, garlic water may offer a natural means of supporting heart health. Studies suggest that garlic may help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, both significant risk factors for heart disease. Allicin, along with other sulfur compounds found in garlic, may aid in dilating blood vessels, thereby promoting better blood flow and reducing hypertension. Furthermore, garlic's anti-inflammatory properties may contribute to the prevention of plaque buildup in the arteries. Your liver will be cleansed. In our modern environment, our bodies are constantly bombarded with toxins from pollutants, processed foods, and various other sources. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that are believed to support detoxification processes in the liver. These compounds assist in the activation of enzymes responsible for flushing out toxins from the body. Garlic water can aid in the cleansing of the liver and promote overall detoxification, helping to rid the body of harmful substances and promoting better health. You'll have improved digestion. Digestive issues are a common complaint for many, often stemming from poor dietary habits and stress. Garlic possesses antimicrobial properties that can help combat harmful bacteria in the digestive system while preserving the beneficial gut flora. Additionally, garlic stimulates the production of gastric juices, which aids in the breakdown of food and enhances digestion. Your chances of getting cancer is reduced. The potential anti-cancer properties of garlic have been a subject of scientific inquiry for decades. While research is ongoing, preliminary studies suggest that garlic may inhibit the growth of cancer cells and reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, including stomach, colorectal, and prostate cancer. Allicin and other sulfur compounds found in garlic are believed to exert anti-cancer effects by blocking the formation of carcinogenic compounds, inducing cancer cell death, and inhibiting tumor growth. While more research is needed to fully understand garlic's role in cancer prevention, incorporating garlic water into your daily regimen may offer potential benefits in reducing cancer risk. You'll lose weight. For those aiming to shed a few pounds or maintain a healthy weight, garlic water might be a valuable ally. Some studies suggest that garlic may help regulate metabolism and reduce fat storage in the body. Allicin, the active compound in garlic, has been found to have thermogenic properties, meaning it may increase the body's production of heat and energy expenditure, potentially aiding in calorie burning. Additionally, garlic's ability to improve insulin sensitivity could help regulate blood sugar levels, reducing cravings for sugary and high-calorie foods. You'll have improved skin. Garlic's antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties may extend benefits to your skin as well. Regular consumption of garlic water may help combat acne-causing bacteria and reduce inflammation associated with skin conditions such as eczema and psoriasis. Additionally, garlic is rich in antioxidants, which can help protect the skin from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. thereby promoting a more youthful and radiant complexion. While topical applications of garlic are often used in skincare, consumption of garlic water may also contribute to healthier skin from within. How to make garlic water. Making garlic water is a straightforward process that requires minimal ingredients and effort. Start by peeling and finely chopping or crushing 2-3 cloves of fresh garlic. Then bring a cup of water to a boil and add the chopped garlic to it. Allow the mixture to simmer for about 10-15 minutes, allowing the garlic's beneficial compounds to infuse into the water. Once done, strain the garlic pieces from the water and let it cool before consuming. You can adjust the amount of garlic based on your preference and tolerance for its pungent flavor. It's recommended to drink garlic water on an empty stomach in the morning for maximum absorption of its nutrients and health benefits. Can too much garlic damage the liver? Garlic is generally considered safe when consumed in normal culinary amounts, but excessive intake of garlic, particularly in the form of supplements or concentrated extracts, may potentially lead to liver damage. Garlic contains compounds like allicin and sulfur, which in large quantities can overwhelm the liver's detoxification mechanisms and cause oxidative stress. Additionally, some individuals may be more sensitive to garlic's effects on the liver, particularly if they have underlying liver conditions or are taking medications that affect liver function. Contraindications. Individuals with bleeding disorders or those taking blood-thinning medications should exercise caution due to garlic's potential anticoagulant properties, which could increase the risk of bleeding. People scheduled for surgery should also avoid garlic water beforehand to prevent potential interactions with anesthesia and medications. For more contents like this, click here to subscribe.